So, my dear friends, again I am with you with the concept. The subject is the pumping station designing with PVC software for solar projects, solar power projects, right? So, I think I used to talk more, so I should be in brief, and let us start from the PVC software. How to design a pumping station, preliminary design, project design, database, like this and that. So, hope you will like this video, and let us proceed. So, my dear friends, again we are on our PCC software, preliminary design, project design, database tools. So, preliminary design, last time we used this is standalone system, right? So now we will proceed with the pumping station. The pumping station, design, data and everything. So here we come. This is the pump. It can be surface mounted, it can be submersible. So you can choose in the software how it works, the panels, detailing, because it is needed in agriculture fields. So many farmers, they have installed it and still installing it. So, for the environment, save environment, consumption of solar energy is the best process. Now again, the same process we will adopt like in standalone. We will go to site and meteors first, then other factors you can say, they will appear, like horizon, like system, like result. So automatically it will start. First we will complete site and meteor. So everything will be there. Now pump, how much capacity, what is depth of the well. So everything we have to mention in this project. So it will give the net result, that how much capacity of the pump you need. So let us proceed and watch my cursor. Instead of listening to me, if you will watch carefully my cursor, where it is moving, what it is doing, you will learn fast and more. So gentlemen, this pumping station everywhere in this world is being used. In the oil fields also there are pumps, right? You can calculate the things. Water pipelines, big water pipelines. So let us move to site and meteor now. Same thing, pumping station, project name, it is the repetition. The same way did in the standalone system. When we will save the project, we can collect the data of each equipment from our database. Within 1 hour you can design a project. So again I will write short solar pumping system. New Delhi, we have to choose the country, place, so that it will give exact meteor norms, latitude, longitude. Now it will show when we will make OK of a particular place. So gentlemen, I am repeating again and again, you must learn it. This is very easy software. As it asks to proceed, proceed. You can see the maps also, means whatever there it is. Just play with it. Don't take it as a headache, very big job. It's very easy. You see, this is tabular form of our meteor norms on monthly basis, then yearly basis. How much energy you will get, how many units you will save after installing a plant of such capacity, this or that. So again we are here, we will press OK. Now see, horizon is appeared, system is appeared. So we will go to horizon. We will see the meteors in horizon also, the sun path. how it takes place, and what time, what energy it will give. So like this. You know, these datas, meteors, are based 20 years before. Data is there because the nature doesn't change too much. It remains near about same. 0.1% difference may come 0.05%. So 20-year data of the meteor is similar of today. So don't get confused. The 20-year before data today, you know, latitude is remain same. 400 years. Now horizon is complete. We will come to system. Nothing changes by nature. Thousands of years going on same. So whatever data you have for meteors, 20 years before, 10 years before, it will same near about. So we can proceed with that. So now this is system. Now tilt angle as per the latitude of Delhi, it is 28. So plus 2 degree always it remains near about. So we have to install our panel at 30 degree, right? All the details you will find here. Tilt angle, yearly average, DC pumping, surface pump, what you want, centrifugal pump, which type of pump you have, power converter. So better to select MPPT converter. Don't get confused in others, whether pump is surface mounted or deep well. So all these things we can select from here, so that it will start giving the exact data, the software. So this is our system. In system, now there are details. In the last you can find data also of every equipment from the database. After saving this project, anytime you can open it. After 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, continue working on it again. If something is wrong, again open the project, make the changes accordingly as per the site conditions, as per the client's requirements, right? How much water capacity needed, depth of the well, so how much capacity of water you need in a year. So it is milliliter per day, the pump has to work, so you can fill it. So this data you can collect it from the client. Head of the water, how much, see. So this is the system. For a pumping station, everything it will ask, you fill. Then it will give the exact specifications, pump, type of panels, so like that. I'm telling you again and again, it is very, very easy. Just you need a little practice only, and you will start using this. And it will help you, the fresh engineers, to get a good job in good companies if you know about it. You will be called master of solar. And manually you should know manually, so that you can compare what software is giving and what manually you are getting. So this system again same like standalone system, my last video. So it is repetition, but the data here is of pump, panel, according to our project. These are the energy output throughout the year, month-wise, how much it will be. Now there will be a tabular form. If we will click at the right side, there are 4 menus. In the menus, the second menu, it will give tabular form. Of the same graph. So you can load this project, you can save it, you can make printouts for your detailed project report, DPR. This again it is showing graph. Now it is tabular form. Hmm? And at the right side you can find so many things. At the top, below. So just proceed ahead accordingly. What it is asking to you. And do it. Now this is the rates. But rates I have told you again and again. You will not find the same. Because as per our Indian prices, rates, it differs a lot. So for that no need to depend on it. Or maybe it is a trial version. They are not giving exact figures as per Indian conditions. Maybe for Europe it is okay. Maybe for South African countries it is okay, the prices. And the currency you can select it, in which currency you want. It asks. In different currencies it gives. So that easy to make calculations in your own currency and comparison with the market prices. So you can change the currency also. So gentlemen, just see my cursor and proceed. You can save it. Now it is okay. Now we will go to the system horizon. It is complete. Results. We have seen it. Now we will come to database. Now you will find the capacity, rating, manufacturer. You can select the panel size, what type of panel you want, like this and that. And you can get the data. And the same, which is the better, you can use. Pump capacity, manufacturers, company. So when you will buy this system, they will show all the manufacturers. Now they show a little. Not so much manufacturers you can find, but after buying it, you can find Kirloskar and Roskar and this and that. Who has joined these PVCs? So they give you complete information. Now this is the result for panels, model, scene, like this. So just click, go ahead. You can write manufacturer here. Solar here, open, select. So, as per your own choice, which is better, what is available in your country. So, accordingly you can fill. If it has in its records, it will appear there. If no records, no problem, you can put by yourself. Save the project. The panel layout, everything, you can get it from here. It is asking manufacturer, marketing, this and that. MPPT voltage, DC volt, maximum. This is for inverter. What capacity you need, what MPPT voltage, so that in the panel connections it will be easy. Because panel connections, array connections are always made as per the specification of inverter, whether grid, whether domestic, whether anything. So what is the inverter's rating? Then you have to proceed with the panels. Panel connections, array connections, the voltage we have to keep according to the inverter. So you see monthly data and this battery, grid, pump, everything data. So gentlemen, I think it's enough. Database is finished. Tools. This is as per my experience, I didn't use it too much. Not of a lot used, but you can go through. You can play with it. The tools also. Files, preferences, language, which language you want. Arabic, Russian, so language you can select from here. Spanish, Dutch, French, like this. So I think you might have learned a lot, and just make a practice of it. And in next video we will start manually designing of the arrays based on my AutoCAD previous designs, drawings. So I will make a clip of that in PPT. You see, this is the project's designation, Delhi. Before we did it, Delhi 10. So you can find your project again. From here, panel layout, layout. So this is in general I am telling you. I did it before in grid connected system. So my project is saved. I can open that project. So like save way. Whatever project you are making, save it and open it anytime. It remains safe here. So these are the data of the previous project. You know, in shading, if it appears red, then you can get the panel layouts. Till it is green near shading, you will not get the module layout. If there is a mistake in the shading, in filling up, so just make practice, my dear friend. We will meet in our next video. So gentlemen, this is the chapter I am closing. Now you need to make a practice. And now I will start the manual designing. Some AutoCAD design concepts I will show you, how to make arrays manually, right? And the scope of work we will start again one by one. Before it was in 2 pages. Now I will give a detail of it, right? Point wise. What is the scope of work in a solar power project? So little detailing I will do it so in one video, okay? And then we will move towards the designing. I will try to make some PPT based presentation of those drawings I made before throughout my life, and especially during last 10 years I was in solar field and I did all type of works approximate for 350 megawatt projects, rooftop projects, small projects, big projects as a whole. So the designing concepts manually, who doesn't want to follow this PVC software, and it is better, to compare what you did manually, what this software is helping us to do it. So you can compare both and create a very fine project, very good results. What mistake you do, PVCs will say. PVCs, if there is something mistake like in financial criterias, project cost, so they don't know our Indian cost. They are showing $61, 61 rupees per watt. Nowadays it is 20 watt, right? So like these small things you can compare, and it will make you perfect in dealing with the solar power projects. So see you in next video, and again and again I request to subscribe and share it to get it reach, so that the students, engineers below poverty line, they can get the benefit of these videos. So it will be a help to them. And sharing the knowledge is the best thing in this world. And this is a free education platform. This is my motto now at this age, to share all of my knowledge before I leave this world. It should not go with me. It should float in the world. So, thank you. See you in the next video.